Have you ever wondered what is the most expensive thing on Earth? And no, it's not what you think. Not gold, nor diamonds, and it's certainly not the International Space Station. Well, it is the most expensive things that humans have ever built with a $150 million estimated cost. But what I'm talking about is something irreplaceable and way more precious than that. And it is time. You can undoubtedly replace lost money, but not your time. That's why I brought you this video, which will show you how to save time and reveal some of the secret tools entrepreneurs use to 10x their productivity. In this video, you'll find 7 AI tools you'll be fascinated with. These tools will help you finalize a task that used to take hours of your time in just minutes. And it will even save you tons of money you used to pay people to edit or create content for you. And now, enough talking. Let's dive into it. GetMunch, found at www.getmunch.com, is a game-changing AI tool designed to assist writers, content creators, and even students in crafting compelling scripts, captivating captions, and enthralling stories. It's like having a co-writer who understands your vision and helps bring it to life with finesse. Using GetMunch is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You simply provide a brief description of your content topic or idea, and GetMunch's AI engine springs into action. It analyzes your input and generates well-structured sentences, creative taglines, and engaging storylines that align with your theme. Imagine you're a travel blogger, aiming to write an attention-grabbing caption for a breathtaking photo of a mountain sunset. You input your description, and GetMunch surprises you with captivating captions like "Chasing sunsets on mountain peaks, where every dusk writes a story of its own." Voila! You've got a share-worthy caption in seconds. GetMunch doesn't just save you time, it sparks your creativity and helps you overcome writer's block. It's the tool you turn to when you need that extra spark of brilliance to make your content stand out. 2. Descript.com, transforming video editing efficiency and creativity. In content creation, video editing has long been a time-consuming endeavor. Descript.com was introduced as a game-changing software, revolutionizing the editing process with unparalleled efficiency and user-friendliness. At its core, Descript reimagines editing through a text-based approach. By transcribing spoken words into editable text, it allows for the seamless manipulation of audio and video content. As users edit the transcribed text, corresponding adjustments are automatically applied to the associated media tracks. This non-linear, real-time editing empowers creators to experiment and refine content without traditional linear limitations. Descript's significance is twofold. It saves time and enhances creativity. Descript's innovative approach drastically reduces the editing process in the time-strapped content creation world. Unlike traditional software that requires multiple steps for audio, video, and text alignment, Descript simplifies this by enabling direct text-based edits that propagate across media. This streamlined workflow is a boon for time efficiency. Furthermore, Descript nurtures creative exploration. The text-first paradigm encourages experimentation, enabling quick iterations and narrative adjustments. Descript lets creators focus on storytelling and refining their vision by sidestepping technical intricacies. In other words, Descript has redefined video editing. Its audio, video, and text fusion in a seamless editing experience saves time and boosts creativity. No longer a daunting chore, editing becomes an engaging endeavor where creators can quickly hone their narratives, pacing, and messaging. Descript empowers creators to captivate audiences by delivering polished content that bears their distinct creative signature. Video.ai creates short-form videos out of long-form videos. Video AI, the game-changer available in the digital sphere, is designed to take long-form videos and distill them into short, impactful segments. This revolutionary tool, which you can explore online, helps creators tell their stories concisely and engagingly. Utilizing Video.ai is as straightforward as it gets. You provide your long-form video and the AI-driven technology leaps into action. It identifies key moments, highlights, and transitions, then crafts a series of short, attention-grabbing clips that encapsulate the essence of your content. Imagine you've captured a breathtaking travel blog featuring a journey through ancient ruins. The original video is 20 minutes long. With Video.ai, you're able to condense the most awe-inspiring moments, the panoramic views, the hidden artifacts, into a captivating 2-minute montage that leaves viewers eager to explore more. Beyond simplifying the video editing process, Video.ai empowers creators to present their content in a format that caters to today's fast-paced digital landscape. It's not just about trimming videos, it's about concisely crafting compelling narratives. 4. CapCut.com to edit videos. CapCut.com, your digital editing studio, is a user-friendly yet powerful platform designed to cater to creators of all levels. Whether you're an 8th grader dabbling in video creation or a seasoned filmmaker, CapCut.com offers a suite of tools to bring your vision to life. Navigating CapCut.com is as intuitive as it gets. You upload your raw footage and the platform opens up a world of editing possibilities. From cutting and rearranging clips to adding transitions, effects, and text overlays, CapCut.com lets you shape your video into a polished narrative. Imagine you've captured stunning shots of a recent family vacation. With CapCut.com, you're able to seamlessly merge these clips, overlaying upbeat music and adding dynamic transitions to create a travel vlog that transports viewers to the heart of the adventure. CapCut.com empowers users with limited editing experience to create videos that look and feel professionally made. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive toolkit allows creators to focus on storytelling rather than grappling with complex software. Midjourney for AI graphics. Midjourney, found online, is your digital canvas where creativity meets artificial intelligence. This revolutionary tool empowers creators to design captivating graphics that resonate with their audience. Whether you are a seasoned designer or an 8th grader venturing into the world of visuals, Midjourney has something to offer. Exploring Midjourney is a seamless experience. You input your creative concepts, and the AI engine goes to work. From logo designs and social media posts to intricate graphics, Midjourney provides you with a range of customizable options that align with your artistic vision. Imagine you're a small business owner needing a compelling logo. With Midjourney, you input your business name, style preferences, and the essence you want to convey. In return, Midjourney generates a collection of logo concepts, allowing you to choose the design that is perfectly representative to your brand. Midjourney bridges the gap between creativity and technology. It's not just about generating graphics. It's about collaborating with AI to bring your artistic visions to life. Even if you're new to graphic design, Midjourney guides you through the process. 6. 11labs.io for voiceover. 11labs.io, accessible online, is your gateway to AI-generated voiceovers that breathe life into your projects. Whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or an 8th grader adding a professional touch to your presentations, 11labs.io offers a novel way to engage your audience through the magic of sound. And how does it work? Well, navigating 11labs.io is a breeze. You input your text, whether it's a script, narration, or presentation, and the AI engine transforms it into a natural, expressive voiceover.
Hey guys, this voice is generated by artificial intelligence from 11labs.io.
You have the freedom to customize aspects like tone, pace, and style, ensuring the voice aligns perfectly with your project's theme. Imagine you're producing a promotional video for a travel agency. By utilizing 11labs.io, you transform your written script into a persuasive voiceover that entices viewers to embark on a journey of exploration and adventure. The 11labs.io advantage? 11labs.io bridges the gap between written content and auditory engagement. It empowers creators to add a layer of professionalism and emotion to their projects, enhancing the overall experience for their audience. And number 7, Kyber.ai, text-to-video generator. Kyber.ai, available online, is your doorway to the world of text-to-video transformation. This revolutionary tool empowers creators to merge words with visuals, creating engaging videos that captivate audiences. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or an 8th grader crafting a school project, Kyber.ai takes your content to new dimensions. How it works? Engaging with Kyber.ai is as simple as it gets. You input your text, whether it's a script, narrative, or concept, and the AI technology springs into action. It analyzes your input, selects relevant imagery and video clips, and stitches them together into a seamless video that conveys your message visually. Imagine you're a digital marketer promoting a new product. With Kyber.ai, you input your product's features and benefits. The platform crafts an attention-grabbing video that combines animated text with product images, showcasing its value in an engaging format. Kyber.ai bridges the gap between textual content and visual storytelling. It's not just about conveying information, it's about creating videos that resonate, entertain, and educate all in one. And that should be it for this video. We appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Your support means a lot to our channel. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to stay updated on future uploads. Your engagement helps shape our content, so please continue to like, comment, and share with loved ones. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to sharing more content with you.